Today we start new chapter, chapter second, quadratic equations. So first we see what is mean by quadratic equations. In last part we see linear equations. Linear equations are the equations in which variable degree is 1. So see the definition of quadratic equation. So first we discuss standard form of quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called the quadratic equation. So from definition, that equation must involve one variable and highest degree, that is maximum index of the variable, must be 2. So we write general form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This form is called general form. Here variable is x. In ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, variable is x and small a, small b, small c are the real numbers and a not equals to 0. Here condition, one more condition is given, a not equals to 0, because when this a equals to 0, then this equation reduces to bx plus c equals to 0. So the degree of x is 1. So the quadratic equation reduces to linear equation in one variable. So while writing the quadratic equation, we must follow these 3 rules. Their highest degree must be 2. There must be one variable and coefficient of highest degree term must not be 0. The coefficient of x may be 0, that is b may be 0 or c may be 0. So the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the general form of quadratic equation. So we discuss activity. So with the help of this activity, we will clear the concept of quadratic equation. So see, quadratic equation in first columns are given. In second column we have to write its general form, and in third, fourth, fifth column we have to write the value of real numbers a, b, c. So see, for example, first equation is x square minus 4y equals to 0. Here the term of variable x is absent. So we introduce that term by writing its coefficient 0, because 0 into x is 0. So the term of variable x is absent here. So we introduce that term first. So see, x square plus 0x minus 4 equals to 0 is the general form. Now here coefficient of x square is not given, that means coefficient of x square is 1. So the value of a is 1. Here coefficient of x is 0, so the value of b is 0, and the constant is minus 4. So the value of constant, that is c, equals to minus 4. So see the second quadratic equation, y square equals to 2y minus 7. Here we have to shift this 2y and minus 7 to left hand side for its general form. So we write 2y and minus 7 on left hand side. So we change its sign. So y square, after transferring this 2y to left hand side we get minus 2y. After transferring this minus 7 to left hand side we get plus 7 equals to 0. So this is the general form of this given quadratic equation. So we compare this equation with ay square plus by plus c equals to 0, because variable is y. So here coefficient of y square is 1. So the value of a must be 1. Here coefficient of y is minus 2. So the value of b must be minus 2. So we write value of b. Then here value of constant c is 7. So we write here value of c is 7. Now see the third quadratic equation, which is x square plus 2x equals to 0. Now here constant is absent, so we can add that constant. So we write this quadratic equation as x square plus 2x minus 0 or plus 0. So this is general form of this given quadratic equation. So compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we get a equals to 1 because coefficient of x square is not given, so it is 1. Coefficient of x is 2, so the value of b must be 2. Here constant is minus 0, so you can write value of constant c as plus 0 or minus 0. So in this way we write given quadratic equation in general form first and find the value of real numbers a, b, c. So see practice set 2.1. First question is write any two quadratic equations. That means we have to write in first question any two quadratic equations. So write these two equations, x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0 and y square minus 10y plus 3 equals to 0. You can write any two equation. Now see question number second. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Means quadratic, we have given some equations, we have to check whether the given equation is quadratic equation or not. So see first, x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is quadratic equation. So we write in answer x square plus 5x minus 2 equals to 0 is a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and it has a degree 2 and coefficient of x which is 1, which is not equals to 0, and variable is x. So in answer we write this is quadratic equation having degree 2 and variable x. Second, y square equals to 5y minus 10. So if you not directly clear from the given equation, you write given equation in general form. So the given equation we write in general form. So after transferring this 5y to left hand side and minus 10 to left hand side, the general form we get y square minus 5y plus 10 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, is a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, or you can write in place of variable x variable y. But we have to check whether the given equation is in general form or not. So here degree of variable y is 2. So this is quadratic equation in variable y. So see third equation, y square plus 1 upon y equals to 2. So we have to simplify this equation first. So for simplifying this equation, we cross multiply. So after cross multiplying y square into y, we get y cube plus 1 upon y. So after transferring this y to right hand side, we get y cube plus 1 equals to 2y. Then again transferring this 2y to left hand side, we get y cube minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. Here first we observe the degree. Here highest degree is 3. So for quadratic equation we require highest degree 2. So this is not a quadratic equation. Is not a quadratic equation because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and it has degree 3. Now see fourth number example. In this example also we have to simplify it first. So we cross multiply, we get x square plus 1 upon x, and after transferring this x to right hand side we get x square plus 1 equals to 2x, and again transferring this 2x to left hand side we get x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Is a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and it has degree 2. So in this problem we have to simplify that, and we have to write given equation in general form. So this is quadratic equation and degree of this equation is 2. Now see fifth number example. Here two brackets are given, so we have to multiply both the brackets. So we get here m into m square, m into 5m, so sign is minus, so we write m into minus 5m, 2m 2 into minus 5 minus 10. So after adding minus 5m plus 2m we get minus 3m. That means here we have to multiply these two brackets first, then we get equation which is quadratic equation. Is a quadratic equation because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here in place of variable x in given equation variable is m, and degree of m is 2, coefficient of m square is 1. So this is quadratic equation. Now see next. Here equation is m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equals to 3m square. So we have to simplify it first. So we transfer this 3m square 3m cube to left hand side, we get m cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equals to 0. So m cube minus 3m cube we get minus 2m cube. Here degree of first term is 3, so the highest degree is 3 here. So is not a quadratic equation because it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and it has degree 3. So in this way we can say whether the given equation is quadratic equation or not after simplifying it and comparing it with the general form.